What's up guys, Earl here, Tech, and with work from home setups becoming the norm as the consequence of recent events, team collaboration applications have become a must-have in any organization. Be it a small team or a large organization, there is an utter need for people to interact with each other on diverse projects and tasks to achieve success within time schedules. Good communication is essential if we are to maintain or even improve our work output, no matter what the situation around us looks like. So if you are still looking for a team collaboration app that can serve you a little bit better and help you host a meeting better, share ideas with your co-workers or classmates, and even plan, here's another tool you must try, and that is Lark. Lark is the next generation collaboration suite that enables teams to do their best work together. Lark offers tools so you won't need to rely on standalone apps to communicate, collaborate, and get work done. The suite contains the following tools and features to help you get the best out of your workflow. Lark provides you with unlimited video call minutes up to 100 participants, and you'd expect to find features similar to other video conferencing apps in the market right now, with added features to enable the meeting host to keep the meeting secure and focused, as well as peace of mind for every meeting participant. Lark also provides a unique feature called Magic Share, which lets the video call participants collaborate on a shared file during a video meeting and lets the video call participant edit the file simultaneously right within the video call window, which we find very convenient. Also, it makes it ideal for those who have offices in different time zones or places like us who works from home since the pandemic started. This helps us send, edit, and exchange files in real time. This platform also redefines mobility across its users, making it cross-platform. This means that users may connect to Lark through supported desktops and laptops, and even mobile devices. It works pretty good and everything is synchronized. Also, Lark provides advanced features like unlimited searchable chat history and pin important messages. This allows new members added to a chat group to see the message history and pin information. Additionally, chat can be set to automatic translate into English, Chinese, or Japanese. This enables you to have a real-time conversation with teammates speaking a different language and still understand each other effortlessly. Now for documents, we know how important documents and file storage are for any team collaboration application. Lark's other feature that I like about is that I can search for documents pretty easily. Now, if you forget the document's title, just type a text snippet in the search box to find it. Do take note that you'll get a 200 gigs of cloud storage included in Lark's free version, which is pretty nice. Another is the Lark Workplace. Users can customize and automate their organization internal workflows, such as reimbursement, leaves, approvals, and attendance. So you don't exactly need any coding or to purchase additional software to do that. Lark also has an open platform where users can build their apps too and bots. Lark takes its customer security seriously. They do their utmost to keep their data secure, safe, and private. Security is built into their development lifecycle, and each aspect of their service is secured against breaches and attacks, be it the software you download on your device or the physical service powering the service from the cloud. Data transmission is also encrypted for added security, so you can be sure that no one can try to decode the data or sneak into your conversation during calls. Lark makes sure that the service is reliable thanks to its collaboration with Amazon Web Services, so you can be sure that no data is lost when anything unpredictable happens. Now, there's many communication tools out there, but if you start with a small team and don't want to spend much money, Lark would undoubtedly be a better choice. A simple AI-powered team collaboration tool provides complete message history to better suit customers' needs, with built-in high-quality audio and video calls and voice messages. So that's it for this video, and if you have tried Lark, let us know how was your experience in it at the comments section below. And if you haven't, we recommend you to give it a try. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Rel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.